Hi, I'm Dr. Bauer with RunLab in Austin, Texas, and today we're going to talk about foam rolling. So a lot of our patients come in and they ask us, when should I foam roll? What body part should I foam roll? And what are the benefits of it? So primarily, anybody can benefit from foam rolling. We're usually targeting the muscle groups. It can kind of function like a deep tissue massage, and it's somewhat of an alternative to stretching. So oftentimes people stretch muscles that are sore, but they tend to overdo it. So foam rolling is a good alternative. People tend to want to foam roll either before or after their run, whichever feels better. There's really no right or wrong answer there. We usually tell people to foam roll about 3 to 5 minutes per muscle group, and we're going to demonstrate just one group here. So what we want to do is get ourselves situated so that gravity is pushing down on the body part, and that body part is pushing against the foam roller. So for the calves here, I'm going to position myself so that I can get up off the ground, and then let gravity kind of do the work down into that calf through the foam roller. It's okay if it's a little bit uncomfortable. It should be somewhat uncomfortable. It shouldn't necessarily be painful. So if you're working on a body part that's really, really painful, you might want to back off a little bit. But a little bit of discomfort is okay.